Hello, and welcome to a virtual business card tutorial. Let's go over how you can create your first business card. Start by tapping the hamburger icon on the top right corner of the app. Next, tap the Cards button. Press New Card. In this view, you can either select your contact information from the drop-down menu, or you can tap the Add button to add a new contact. For the sake of this tutorial, let's tap the Add icon and add a new contact. Add your contact information here. This information will be displayed on your business card. You may also edit this information later. When you're finished, press the Add button. Tap Close. Now you can select the contact you've created from the drop-down menu. After you've selected your contact, tap the Next button on the bottom of the app. Select the traditional card option. Now it's time to upload the main media of your business card. Your main media is the image or the video you want to display in your business card. It can be an image of yourself or, for example, a short video where you tell a little bit about yourself or your company. Start by selecting whether you want to use an image or a video. You can do this by tapping either the video or the image option in the radio button. Don't worry about it too much. You can change all this later whenever you want. After you've chosen your media format, you can select the media from your phone by tapping the Select File button in the Upload section. Or, if you don't yet have a media, you can tap the Open Camera button in the Film section. After you've either filmed or uploaded your media, you are ready to continue. Tap the Forward button on the bottom of the app. This is the final part of creating your card. On this page, you can add a couple of more features to your card. The first feature is a text box, a custom text that is added to your card. You don't need to give your contact information here. They are added automatically. Next, we have the font and background colors. Remember, you can edit all these features later. Then we have the option to upload an audio file. Audio files can only be added if you chose image as your main media. This audio can be a voiceover where you tell about yourself, a background music, or anything you desire. Lastly, you can add a logo to your card. This logo will be added on the corner of your business card. When you're ready, tap Create. Then, press Return. Now we are back at the Cards view. Here you can see the card we just created. All your other cards will be listed here as well. You can tap the URL on the card to see your card. You can also edit and delete your card. The Select button makes the card active. Active card is the one used by the share features of the app. We will discuss about the share feature in a future video about card sharing. The dark green background of the card indicates that it is the active card. If you only have one card, it will automatically be the active one. You can return to the main view of the app by tapping the Back button. Here, you can see that the card you've created is active and ready to be used. That's all for now. Feel free to contact us if you have any questions. Happy networking!